2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He was born in 1869 on 2nd October at Porbandar in Gujarat. He is known as the father of nation. It is celebrated every year as Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi believed in the principle of non-violence. He also believed in simple living and high thinking. He would say that hate the sin and not the sinner. He was married with Kasturba Gandhi. It is one of the three national holidays in India. Gandhi ji fought for the freedom of India. He taught us that we should forgive others. Gandhi ji was shot dead by Nathuram Godse.